Yamaha MT-125. Review: extremely popular, keenly priced. The CBT-friendly 2020 Yamaha MT-125 is a naked 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle that's ideal for learners, and it's received its first major overhaul since its launch in 2014. The refresh brings it in line with the rest of the ever-popular MT range with radical styling, improved performance, and revised geometry. The second best-selling MT model in the UK behind the parallel twin MT-07, the vast majority of these changes were first seen on the fully faired Yamaha YZF-R125, which was relaunched for 2019 with her 6 inspired fairings, a new frame, fatter 140-section rear tire and rim, a new engine complete with variable valve actuation (VVA), an LCD dash, and more. Plastics aside, the new MT receives all of the above. It's a miniature supernaked you can be proud of, complete with big bike looks, excellent build quality, and an impressive spec sheet. The 2020 model replaced the 2014 to 2019 Yamaha MT-125. Ride quality and brakes. Shod with grippy Michelin Pilot Street tires, cornering on the MT-125 is a joy to behold, making mincemeat of the congested urban sprawl and capable of carving through Nadgerite back roads without tying itself in knots. Helped by the well-damped 41mm upside-down KYB forks and a reworked preload adjustable rear shock, the bike also gets a new steel Delta box frame and aluminium swing arm taken directly from the updated R125 sports bike. Engine. The MT makes 14.8 brake horsepower, which is the most power a 125 can make whilst remaining learner legal. This limit isn't always reached, though, so the Yamaha is one of the most powerful 125s you can buy along with the KTM Duke 125, Aprilia Tuono 125 and Suzuki GSX-S 125. Gaining the liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine from the 2019 YZF, the bike now benefits from a variable valve actuation (VVA) system. Triggered at 7,400 RPM, a pin within the YZF-R125 derived engine switches the variable valve timing from low to high lift, improving performance significantly at the top end of the rev range. The maximum output of 14.8 brake horsepower, 0.1 brake horsepower up on the previous MT-125, is available at 9,000 RPM, with the redline pegged at 11k RPM. Reliability and build quality. We don't currently have any Yamaha MT-125 rider reviews on the site, but our owner's reviews of the 2019 onwards or 125, which this bike is based on, suggest nothing but positivity, with 4- and 5-star ratings across the board. If purchasing on the used market, as with any 125, it's important to check for a decent service history and any evidence of crash damage. For many owners, this is likely to be their first motorcycle, so tumbles are likely, as is subpar maintenance. Value versus rivals. Just £100 more than the outgoing MT-125 at its December 2019 launch, with a price of £4,449, the MT-125 is an expensive proposition when considered alongside some of its rivals. By January 2022 the price had risen to £4,700. With Honda's CB125 costing considerably less at £4,049 OTR, 2019 price, and Suzuki's GSX-S 125 now just £3,599, with 2019 £500 promotional saving, there are cheaper bikes out there in the category. Equipment. Despite being an entry-level motorcycle, the MT-125 boasts a spec sheet some larger capacity machines could only dream of. With dual full LED headlights, an easy-to-read LCD dash, complete with programmable personal greeting and fuel gauge, and new big bike-inspired looks, it's hugely impressive.